Hey guys, welcome to a new podcast in our series BA Cast, bringing you insights and great value from awesome traders out there. Today, my special guest trader is Bill Catches Pips. So, welcome, Bill, to the show. For me, it's a great pleasure to have you here today, and thank you for taking some of your valuable time to be here with us.
Yeah, man, no problem. Glad to be here, bro.
Awesome. So, let's begin, should we? First thing first, we all want to know who is Bill Catches Pips, So tell us a little bit about you, like where you're from, how old are you, what do you do besides trading?
Well, Bill's my name. I catch a lot of pips. So the slogan, Bill Catches Pips, branched off from the name that I was helping my friends trade. I'm from the States, New Jersey. Parents were born from Bangladesh, but they moved down here when I was born. So pretty much lived here all my life, Nowadays, I don't really do much besides trading, helping out my team, delivering them content. I do have plans to travel the world after this coronavirus stuff is all over.
Yeah.
Spend a good amount of time, on the charts, perfecting my skills.
Okay, great. So you are full-time trader.
Yeah, full-time trader.
Okay, but you said you're 20 years, so you are like probably like, I don't know, like university or something like that, or just
No, not right now. I was going last year, but I quit after I made some money from the markets.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really want to do school or anything. I just want to be a full-time trader.
Okay, so you are decided that that's gonna be like your career.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, awesome. Okay, now let's talk about some trading. I like to know, like, what's your style? Like, are you more like a scalper, or you are more into intraday swing trader? Tell us a little more about your style.
I'm more of a scalper, day trader. My personality fits more of a scalper because holding trades for a long time, it's just a lot of uncertainty behind it, It doesn't make me feel good about it. Market conditions change every day at a daily basis, quickly and fast.
Yeah.
Especially with the coronavirus situation, like each day it just changes really quick.
Exactly. Yeah, it's like not a good environment these past weeks or even months for these swing traders.
Yeah, it's more of a scalper's environment now. So like the max I would hold a trade would be like 3 to 4 days max. I would never hold it during the weekend.
Oh, okay. So basically, you are more like into scalping and intraday, no swing trading. Okay. Perfect. So, so what a regular Bill's trading session or day will be like? I mean, how do you approach the market? Do you have maybe like a special protocol to follow for each trade? Do you have like a risk management plan in place? I mean, how do you like set up your trades, overall?
Well, I always look at the market from a short-term basis. Since the markets induce new liquidity every day and week, I always look at the price action from last week and what happened on a short term, like yesterday, 2 days ago. And I just frame my trade based on that, I'm a FTMO trader. I'm funded on FTMO.com. So I risk about 1 to 2% per trades. And I focus a lot on holding a runner position just to catch that weekly expansion.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So, okay, you said like, okay, you, for instance, let's say today, Sunday, we have like a new week start. You go back, like, okay, you check like the liquidity from, let's say, Friday, Thursday, and Wednesday, something like that, and then based on that, you create like your idea.
Yeah. I just look at from last Monday, look at all the price action there, and just frame my trade based on that. based on the liquidity induced from last week.
Okay. So do you use like any what's like the method that you use currently?
The method, like, what do you mean?
Like the concepts that you use, you trade like Wyckoff or supply and demand, so the guys can know.
ICT concepts.
Okay, so you base
Yeah,
your trading on ICT.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so that's why you mentioned about liquidity. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Very insightful, bro. Now, what would you advise the guys out there, to improve their trading career? I mean, like, what steps would you consider everybody should follow in their journey to being a better trading based on your experience?
Um, I definitely say put a lot of actual chart time and watching price live. I think experience is what makes a huge difference in someone's trading career. It's like 10% strategy,
Mm-hmm.
90% mindset. It's not always about, what you know. You can know everything about the market, but, still not be profitable. I actually know some traders on my team who know a lot of stuff about the strategy, but they can't apply the skill set because they didn't put enough time behind the charts. So, you have to be able to watch price live during a kill zone and,
Mm-hmm.
take the stuff you learned and take it in price live. Just practice.
Yeah, it makes sense what you say because there's a lot of new traders, that they think that if they learn like the whole concepts,
Right.
everything, they will like get like instant results, and it's not like that. It's you need to get the experience from the being on the charts, looking, as you said, live trading, the price action, forming and everything.
Yeah.
So yeah, I agree with you. I also try to like advise my followers about that. Is sometimes it's not about the system. Most of the time is basically based on, as you said, on your mindset.
Right.
So okay, let's continue. Now let's get into some questions that we received during this week from our Instagram community. So here's the first one. How was your transition from demo trading to live funds?
To be honest, I didn't really use demo when I was first trying out.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I just went straight into live money, which I do regret. But however, losing money is what helped me see what I was wrong for my trading. Just losing back to back, it just
Uh-huh.
made me be like, wow, I lost so much money. How did I do it?
Yeah.
You're gonna see your mistakes from your losses and improve on them. But I do recommend everyone to use a demo at first. Don't make the mistake of just going to straight live trading. It's not quick money. So yeah, after losing some money, I did go back to demo, try it
Mm-hmm.
out, and to see what I was doing wrong and to see if I could actually be profitable. So I tried that for like a few months and then transitioned into live after seeing my strategy working out.
Yeah. So basically, you went the hard way.
Yeah,
You went straight into live funds. Yeah,
yeah.
it's tough like that, But it's
Yeah,
great
even if you
that you
do get demo,
overcome that,
yeah, even if you do start off from demo,
Mm-hmm.
you're gonna go to live eventually, and you have to make a mistake in the training to improve on it. Demo,
Yeah.
if you make a mistake on demo trade, it's not gonna really mean much to you. You're like, oh, whatever. But like if it's live, it's like, wow, it's actually gonna impact you because you're losing actual money.
Exactly. Yeah, it's gonna hit you big time. Your psychology, your
Yeah.
mindset. It's not that easy.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
that's what's gonna have you really look back at the price and be like, wow, how did I actually lose money here? With
Yeah.
demo, it's different. It's not like, that significant on you.
Yeah. Exactly. Because that it's like no real money. So it won't
Yeah.
affect you, psychologically. What I sometimes do is like, I advise you guys, have like a period in demo trading, but
Yeah.
the money that you're gonna take in your demo account, treat
Mm.
that money as if it would be like a life fund, you know,
Yeah.
so to get like the feeling, of when you do the next step into moving into life funds,
Yeah, and definitely be realistic with it. Don't just put
Yeah,
like 20,
exactly.
50 lots and be like, yeah, I made this amount of money in a demo. I could do this on the real.
Right there,
It doesn't work.
exactly, that's what I mean. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a common error, you see new traders like going into demo for, I don't know, let's say 2 weeks, 1 month or so, and they are like trading $500,000 demo account with,
Exactly.
so if you have, let's say you have 10K,
Yeah.
that I don't know, you've been saving probably or something like that,
Uh-huh.
and that you are like planning to trade once you jump into life funds,
Hmm.
try to then do the same thing in your demo before.
Yeah.
So if you're gonna go like 10K in life funds, then do the same in your demo period, and
Yeah.
treat your demo as if it's a real account, it
Exactly.
will help you, a lot when you do like the when you step into the life funds.
Right.
So
If you make like
okay, yes, sir.
Yeah, if you make like 50% in one day in a demo account, then that's not really realistic.
Yeah.
You gotta look at what you're doing.
Yeah,
You're
exactly.
actually gonna risk this much on a real 10K.
Yeah, that's the word. You gotta be realistic.
Yeah, then it's gonna make you overconfident, then you're gonna get on live phone,
Hmm.
you're gonna lose.
Yeah. Okay. Another follower asked this: what has been your worst week in trading, and how did you overcome that?
My worst week would have to be somewhere back in 2019 last year. I was caught into a NFP consolidation.
Uh huh.
NFP is every
Yeah.
month is like a huge move. Usually there's a huge move, but this certain day it was a consolidation. And I was so overconfident. I was putting my money in, and I lost a lot of money that day. And from that point on, the week after, I ended up emotional trading and just losing money back to back to back the week after. It didn't end well. So
Yeah.
I just kept on over risking on every trade. And, the only way I overcame it was when I blew my account. When I blew my account, that's when I was like, wow, what did I do wrong? That's when I looked back, looked at my trade history, and just, looked at what I did wrong. I just
Okay.
learned from my mistakes, and I just found
Exactly.
out, made the decision that, yeah, I was just emotional trading. From that point on, I just took a little break, back to demo, and yeah, I got my mindset right again.
Yeah, that's important. What you mentioned there. Also, one thing that I usually tell the guys is like, okay, you don't need to focus like on the winners. Try to focus more on the losers, because the
Yeah.
losers are lessons. You go back. Let's say we finished Friday and the market closed.
Mm-hmm.
So you go back into your journal and you check like, okay, I had this loss and this loss and this loss. So what did I do wrong? Because usually we made the mistakes. Usually our system is okay, but most of
Yeah.
the times our losers are based on our psychology. Maybe we didn't follow our trading plan. There's
Right.
gonna be always something that we did not right, and that turned out to be a loser. So we go back to losers and we then like analyze what happened and why. With that, you're gonna get like in a improvement cycle,
Right.
because next time you're gonna avoid those mistakes and you're gonna
That's very
you're
good to
gonna
say.
go growing, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, so now before we finish, I have this question for you, my bro. Uh, what do you think new traders should focus on while getting into this business? Because trading is a business. So, what do you think newcomers, new traders should focus on?
Um, I think they should definitely focus on a time window where they're available to watch charts live. Like it could be New York session, Asian, London. You just have to watch price live, and just practice from that. Take screenshots of your trades, frame the trade before it happens, demo trade it, and always watch your analysis play out after framing out the trade. And just from that, you'll gain the experience rather than killing yourself over a strategy. Experience is what's gonna make you money. Experience is everything.
Yeah, basically, it's a process. If you go into this business thinking that tomorrow or the next week you're gonna be making a lot of money, you're on the wrong business.
Right? It's not a get rich quick scheme.
Exactly.
It's a long process.
That's right, bro. Okay, bro. You are with a very tight schedule, so I wanna give you a big thank you for sharing all this knowledge and open up with us. It's been a great time, and I know that the trading community will really appreciate that.
No problem, man. Thanks for having me.
My pleasure. Okay, guys, thank you one more time for tuning in for this podcast series, and I hope you enjoyed this one. And I'm gonna leave all Bill's social media accounts on the subject of this video, so you can go and check it out.